Uh-oh. What's going on? The 3000's on the bench. Hi everybody, it's Chris, and welcome back to another Amiga video. This time we are featuring my Amiga 3000. I love this machine. It's great. Are you going to drink beer and work on computers again? Maybe. Nothing's wrong with this machine. It's been working perfectly. So why are you taking it apart? I finally bit the bullet and got myself a Super Buster Rev 11. This has a 7? Anyway, you need the 11 for some accelerators and better DMA control on the Zorro bus, yada yada yada. So, the company, oh god. So, the company Analogic Computers, as you know, has all these chips on eBay. And they're in the United Kingdom. So, I kept seeing Super Buster 11. Super Buster 11 was quite expensive converted from the British pound to the American dollar, and I kept seeing the numbers going down, 80 left. I'm like, nobody's buying these things. I got time. Then I saw it say, 30 left, 20 left. I'm thinking, if I don't jump on this, I'm going to miss out, and I am never going to be able to get myself, missed a screw there, a Super Buster. So I just said, you know what? Heck with it. And I am going to purchase one of these chips. And this is one of the final, it's brand new. It's apparently, I don't know where they're getting these things from. Are they just printing new ones? Don't really know. This chip, you stay there. So this is an AmigaTek Super Buster 11. You know what I should do, because I am a dum-dum head. Oh, come on. Yeah! That works. Yeah, we're going to use this. I got to put my ankle bracelet on. Hang on. So I have my electro, well, I've already touched it, doesn't matter. But anyway, I'm going to see if I can zoom in on this. This is a 1992 Super Buster from AmigaTek. Shipped in a padded envelope from the United Kingdom. Kingston upon Thames. Don't bust me for that. So, let me do the normal fast forward as I remove everything. I have the AMAX card. I have something underneath of it. I forget. The Data Flyer 8 meg RAM board. SCSI to SD. 2 357s. And we're going to get it apart. So let me do all this in fast forward while I actually do it in real time, and it's a couple seconds for you. Okay, so here is our Super Buster Rev 9. And my belly's in the way. And there we go. So this is our Super Buster Rev 9. Pin orientation, pin 1 faces the front of the case. You're gonna need yourself one of these dudes. This is a PLCC extractor. There are holes, grippy holes on the opposite corners where, you grab it. So you insert the, let me see if I can get a better shot of this. Yeah! You're gonna insert your little dudes down in the hole, and it kind of goes underneath the chip, and then you will squeeze, which will pull the. There's my air conditioner. So here's my Super Buster 11 with a nice scratch in it where my tool slipped off. It's never been out of there, so that's cool. This is a 1990 Super Buster. This is a 92. 8990 is what it says. 390539-06 Buster. So I'm going from an 06, now we're going to an 11. I gotta get this damn sticker off. I can't stand that. Put a sticker on your chip. So we're gonna do the right thing. And grab an ancient razor blade from medieval times here. They're supposed to slide out of here. There we go. And we're just gonna peel this plastic analogic sticker off. And we'll put my old crusty razor blade back in its dude. So here we go. Here is our Super Buster 11. We're gonna line this up, pin 1, and just give it a nice yaw. We're just gonna triple check. There's an arrow for pin 1. And that's it. Ta-da. End of video? Not really. We're gonna put the older 7 Super Buster back in, and now I gotta reassemble this turd. You like my heat sink? That's not factory. Let's get this put back together now. Look at that, boy. Woo! Suck it in. We're gonna get this sorted and put back together. Not screwed in, because you know how that works. You start screwing stuff in. Next thing you know, something doesn't work or you broke something, and yep. This daggone thing has this little piece of fiberglass. It's just a millimeter too thick. So I'm gonna take a flat file because that's totally wrong. And I'm gonna file just, that sounds wonderful. I just had to angle it just ever so carefully to kind of let her slide in. And I'm gonna do the same thing to the other side. Now, maybe she'll accept her card a little easier. Now it went in a lot easier. I always have to fight this, and I'm always scared that I'm going to break a Zorro slot. And it's just, now it's better. Hit it. Yay, my power lights work. And my SCSI to SD is SCSI to SDing. And here we go. So it actually pretty much held its resolution. Virus Z, 6th of October 2020 at 16:43 Tuesday. I'm just making sure the network card works. And then we'll do the same for AMAX. Non-RTG, non-AGA, just ECS Amiga. Browsing the web on an ancient Amiga without a Vampire or something modern. 060, even at 040 struggles. Oh, wait a minute. Whoop, there it is. Cool. We're just going to say start. And okay. And I'll get my Macintosh ROM screen. So, that is working. Didn't give me my crap, didn't freeze up, which is nice. A lot of times that would freeze up. I have no way out of this, so I have to reboot once the card starts. So, let's check this Super Buster. I don't know if it's going to tell me. Does it tell you? Ramsey. Yeah, it gives you the Ramsey. Well, I got to do speed in order for it to sniff. 6830, 6882. Well, Kickstart 314 ROMs. Boards. Expansion systems. RAM. And the AMAX card. Let's expand to make ourselves feel better. Cowabunga. Cool. Maybe I'm missing something. Maybe my brain just took a left with the right turning signal on. If you haven't got yours, I highly suggest you attempt to find one if you need one. Because the stocks are running out, man. You're going to miss out on the boat. And Analogic has maybe some of them left. I got it on eBay. It ran me almost $100 US with shipping. You know, Busters. I have the last Buster revision produced. It fixes the Zorro 3 issues with some DMA. And I don't really know if I'm going to benefit from it, but I wanted it, and why not? So that's all I got for now. If you do, once again, have a utility that shows the revisions of all your chips, please comment down below. Thank you for watching, and as always, I hope you learned something.